Hello and welcome to Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle. Today I'm presenting this Range Rover Sport 3-litre P440e. This Range Rover Sport is finished in the very sleek Carpathian Grey and comes sitting on the 22-inch satin grey diamond-toned alloy wheels with the optionally fitted red brake calipers. Moving straight inside the vehicle, we've got some great features on our door card, including the memory front seat configuration and the Meridian Sound system, perfect for listening to your music and podcasts. These are the Ebony Leather electric front seats, and there is a really warm welcome into this vehicle with the natural light coming from that sliding panoramic roof. Now sitting in the driver's seat, I'm going to take you through some of the steering wheel controls. We've got voice control, lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, and the steering wheel is heated. Ahead is your interactive driver's display. Maximise your comfort at all times with the heated front seats and 2-zone climate controls. Now moving on to the 13.1-inch Pivi Diamond infotainment system, we've got the 3D surround camera, navigation, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, DAB radio and much more great features. You can also access those heated front and rear seats through the touchscreen too. This vehicle comes with the electrically deployable tow bar and advanced tow assist as optional extras to facilitate all your towing needs. The leather interior continues into the back with a nice amount of foot space for your rear passengers and the rear vents to make sure they are comfortable at all times. This Range Rover Sport does come with the rear electric seats too. This vehicle comes with ample boot space, perfect for all your luggage and shopping, and also features the electric rear seat controls and air suspension controls on the side. Also featuring the powered tailgate, making access in and out very simple. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you are interested in this Range Rover Sport, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us on 01228 599 000.